Today I'm going to show you how to add text to Procreate Pocket wallpaper. Hi there, I'm Xiaoling and let's get started. First we're going to tap on the app and then tap on the wallpaper. This was created in the last video, linked above and below. And I'm going to zoom it out with my 2 fingers. Then I'm going to hit the modify and the wrench tool and I'm going to add text. There I'll type in, "Have a lovely day." Then I'll move it around with my fingers so it's in a position that I like. Then to edit the font, you can double click on it, highlight it, and click Edit Style, and then you can see all the different font types that you can pick out. You can also change the design of the text by clicking on Design on the bottom and going through those options. Lastly, you can change the text with attributes and go through those options. Once you're satisfied with the text, then you can drag the menu back down so you have the full screen again. Then you'll click the layer icon on the left of the color drop, and you'll click on the layer itself to rasterize it. This will turn it into pixels and you can draw on it or erase it or edit in other ways. I'm going to use this as a guide so then I can write on top of it, but you can also just be done and have the letters that way. I'm going to add a new layer and then click on the words layer and drag the opacity down so that I can see where I'm writing, and then I'll pick a brush to then start writing on top. Then I'll choose a color that I want, and to zoom in, I'll use my 2 fingers to get nice and close to the letters. To erase the last thing you did, you can tap with 2 fingers and it'll go away. You can also tap with 3 fingers to get it back. Now that I've finished writing over it, I'm going to unclick the box of the text so you only have your handwriting. Now I'm just going to erase it for fun with the eraser icon, and then I'll show you how to get it back by just tapping with your 2 fingers for undo. To change the size or position of the letters, you can click Modify and then the arrow tool. And then after that, I'm going to create a new layer by dragging the layer over to the left and then clicking Duplicate. Then clicking Modify and the arrow tool to drag it slightly to the side. Then I'm going to go back to the layers and I'm going to the under layer, Modify, and then the little wand icon to change the color. This will give the effect that the text is really popping out. Once you're satisfied with the color and the positioning, to save the wallpaper, you'll click Modify, then the wrench tool, then under the Actions, you'll go to Share and then Save Image, and save it as a JPEG. Then it will export and it'll save in your photos. Then you'll see the drop-down menu to click Use as Wallpaper, and it'll load like this. As you can see, I made this video a very long time ago, but I'm finally posting it now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, please click like and subscribe. I hope to do more of these tutorials soon. Let me know what you'd like to see. I hope you have a lovely day.